Hi everybody, this is Beth Davis, the 4-H agent in Person County, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the 4-H record books. You may have noticed that they've changed quite a bit from last year, so I just wanted to go over a few things to make sure everybody is aware of what needs to be done. So you will notice that there are only 2 forms rather than 4 forms. So the first one we'll be talking about the 9 to 10 and 11 to 12 age categories, and then the next age level up is 13 to 15 and 16 to 18. So the first 3 sections of these record books are the same, and then after that they are different. So I will be doing sections 1, 2, and 3 together, and then once we get to the following sections, I'll separate those clips out into 9 through 12 and 13 through 18. So we're going to go ahead and start with section 1, which is personal information and 4-H and U. So this is a pretty easy section to figure out. Basically what you do is you just fill in your personal information. It asks you things like your name, your record category, and that would be anything like animal science or plant science. Ask you your competition category, how old you are, how many years you've been in 4-H, your address, things like that. So this section should be pretty easy to figure out. Just make sure you get your parent to sign, and if you are in a 4-H club, get your 4-H club leader to sign it, and then your county extension agent. And so that would be me or any of the other extension agents in our office. So the next section is 4-H and U. And this is basically just asking you about your experience in 4-H. So the questions are, what are your favorite thing that you do in 4-H and why? So be sure to elaborate. The next thing is, who is your role model in 4-H and why? And that could be a parent, a friend, 4-H agent. It could be anybody that's helped you in 4-H and that's somebody that you look up to. And then, what is the most important thing that you've learned during the past year in 4-H? So again, these are all your answers. There's no right or wrong for this section. And then the section that says looking to the future, this is just asking you, if you were in charge of 4-H, how could you make it better at the club, county, and district level? So, that one is, again, totally your opinion. So that's pretty much all there is for the first section. Just make sure that whatever you do, you are elaborating, you tell why, give the judges something to read and help them get to know who you are. That's the purpose of those first couple of pages. So good luck, and I'll see you next time.